It's part of their mission of giving back to the community.
So we said, hey, we can sit back and complain about it, or we can step forward and do something about it.
And with many issues facing veterans on Guam and throughout the region, a group of veterans have come together to create the Western Pacific Regional Veterans Community Living Center project. The group is called Team CORE. Member Tim Ono explains.
Team CORE stands for Competent, Organized, Responsive, and Efficient. And we're a consortium comprised of us four. Each of us, maybe when we add up the total number of services we've had in the military, over 100 years.
And according to member Dyron Cruz, while Team CORE just recently formed, the idea of building Guam's first self-contained and self-sustained assisted living community is years in the making.
It's not a one special purpose center. It's a center where we can address a lot of issues and not just one.
And there's nothing like this that exists on Guam yet, right?
There's not one that exists in the nation.
This one-stop community living center will exist to provide basic health care and specialized services such as a clinic, counseling, retail commercial center, transitional billeting, home-based primary care for bedridden veterans, employment, and training. CORE team member Ben Palacios.
This is not about us. This is about our veterans. We're focusing on the thousands of veterans that we have, not just in Guam, but in the regions. I'm trying to answer their call.
There are an estimated 27,000 plus veterans in the region, and this center would cater not just to Guam, but those in the FSM, the CNMI, Marshall Islands, Palau, and the Philippines. Meanwhile, according to Team CORE member Marlene Slomka, while she was not privy in releasing details on size and cost, she says there is a proposed location in mind, along with an investor on board. She adds they are in talks with both the local and national Veterans Affairs to help with the project.
We need this facility yesterday. So right now the designers and the investors, they're really working double time behind the scenes.
But what does Team CORE think of another project recently proposed to build a new veterans hospital on Guam?
I applaud his effort to try to do anything that will help out fellow veterans. That's pretty admirable. Okay? But speaking from a veteran's perspective, I am a veteran. We're all veterans. Most veterans understand veterans.
The proposal in the meantime could change based on the feedback of our veterans as surveys are being distributed out in the community. For more information, you can email Team CORE at sofintech@yahoo.com.